I'm Stuart and welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this lovely ultramarine black timeless DB11 V12 Coupe. So this car has done 9,200 miles and as we mentioned is finished in ultramarine black, which was again a Q special colour. So we have a couple of these now in stock. This particular vehicle, I had a hand with the specification of this car when it was new back in 2017, so it is a one owner vehicle with a full Aston Martin service history. So we have the lower splitter and diffusers were done in gloss black, but this particular car's also got the gloss black body pack, which is the front grille, and as we know, the bonnet vents, and also the side strakes and the rear exhaust pipes. Being a slightly later model, you could change the rear lights on the car. So this particular car does have the smoked rear lights. We also have the black roof strake across the top of the roof here, and then with their body matched to body coloured roof. So you have ultramarine black, gloss black, and then ultramarine on the roof as well. We also have these stunning 20-inch black and diamond turned directional rims, and we also have the Aston Martin gloss black brake caliper. So to add with the awesome exterior look of this vehicle, we have quite an unusual interior, albeit was available on DB11. So we have a duotone interior on this DB11. So the Environment 1 colour is dark night, so that will be your dash topper, your steering wheel, centre armrest and up onto the rear shelf, and then also the seat centres, headrests, and also the centre of the door cards on here as well. The secondary colour we have on the interior is ivory, and we have a mirrored stitch, so we have the dark night stitching on the ivory and the ivory stitch on the dark night. And on the seat detail we have the quilting on the seat in the contrast colour, along with the centre broguing that runs down the centre and also on the armrest, with a ivory backing, just to sort of add with that flip-flop theme on the colour. Unusually though, we'll have the embossed headrest logo, which was pretty unique from Aston to come out with this. You had a choice between embroidery and embossing, and I think these look sort of really cool. We also have the dark chrome jewellery pack, so we have the black B&O speakers on this car, with the dark chrome finish around your buttons and switches and steering wheel, your dash display, and also your air vents and centre waterfall. Your standard features like your memory seats and lumbar support, and also your 360 surround cameras are all standard features, heated seats, that sort of thing, electric steering column are all standard features on this car. We also have a warm charcoal seat belt, which is not black, it's like a dark grey colour, and also an ivory headlining on the roof of the vehicle. This car is available on our Timeless website, and you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk, and also you'll find a finance calculator on there where you can get an idea of some of your monthly costings.